Watch this video and learn how to draw a laughing lemon.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. How are you today?
I'm very well. How are you?
Well, I'm very well also.
Oh, good. Yeah, good.
Are you excited to draw?
Yeah, very excited.
Are you ready to draw a laughing lemon?
Yeah, okay.
Art makes you happy.
Yay! Happy, 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 happy.
Good day, Artie!
Hey there, Artie!
Are you ready to create some art?
Okay, Artie, get ready. Let's begin.
It's always so exciting before Artie begins.
I know. Let's go!
Let's start by drawing an S-shaped curve in the top left side of the page. And now join the bottom to the top with another curve. Now draw another S-shaped curve from the bottom to the top in the middle. Now we have a leaf. Let's add some detail. We'll add some little lines inside the leaf. These are called veins. That's it, Artie.
This is making me so happy.
Me too.
Well, I'm pleased you're happy, guys. Now let's draw the stem. 2 short lines coming down, connect them at the bottom, and then connect them at the top. If Artie's going too fast for you, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. Now let's draw the lemon itself. Start at the bottom, do a curve up towards the leaf, but leave a little space. This is going to be for the lemon's arm. Continue the curve up to the stem, and then let's start on the other side of the stem and curve back down again. Let's draw a little U shape at the very bottom, Artie. And now let's draw another curve going from that U shape up towards the right side. It's time to draw some arms. Let's draw a line for the arm and then a thumb on the end. Let's add a pointing finger. This is called the index finger. And a couple more fingers to complete the hand. Don't forget the rest of the arm.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
I told you it'd be great.
Now it's time to draw the left arm. A curved line, a thumb, and 3 fingers. And another curved line for the bottom part of the arm. It's looking good, Artie, but I think it's time to draw some eyes. Let's draw a large oval shape on the right side of the face. Very good, Artie. Now let's draw an upside down U inside the oval. Very good. And now let's draw another oval, a small one, inside the upside down U. And be sure to colour it in black.
Someone really needs to dust up here.
Let's draw the left eye closed, as if our lemon is laughing so hard he had to close one of his eyes. Another upside down U with a line across the bottom. Let's add some eyebrows. Draw a little teardrop shape and colour it in black. One on the left, and now do one on the right, Artie. That's perfect. Our laughing lemon is looking very good.
That break.
Joke break?
Wait,
Okay,
wait,
let's go for a joke break.
Yeah.
Hey, welcome back to your favorite part of the show. Here I am again, Mikey Marker, with another joke break. So, what's a banana's favorite way to say thank you? Thanks a bunch. What's an apple's favorite way to fly? Fruit fly.
Mikey Marker is so funny.
Why did the peach buy deodorant? To freshen up its pits.
That was a funny joke break. Should we carry on with the drawing, Artie? As this is a laughing lemon, I think we should add a mouth. Draw a big curved smiley mouth shape. 2 little curves on the ends. Let's draw a big U shape for the bottom part of the mouth. I know, Artie. Draw a line across, that'll be the teeth. And an upside down curve at the bottom for the tongue. Excellent. How about some legs? Do 2 little curved lines on the left, that's his leg. Now, should we do a foot or should we draw a shoe? Shoe? Okay. Draw a line across, that's the top of the shoe, then draw an S shape, and then a curve on the left side, that's going to be his big toe. Another curve down, and let's draw the tongue of the shoe. Curve all along the bottom to give us the base of the shoe, and another curve underneath to create the sole of the shoe. He's wearing a sneaker.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is pretty neat.
Now let's draw the right leg. 2 little curved lines down, that's for the leg. A line across, that's the top of his sock. A big curve for the toe piece of the shoe. Some little curves for the heel. And then let's draw the tongue.
We already drew the tongue.
Oh, yes, Artie. No, I mean the tongue of the shoe.
Ugh.
The little bit of the shoe that sticks up underneath the laces is called the tongue. Yes, I know it. It's a bit of a silly name for a part of a shoe. Well, now we have a lemon wearing a pair of sneakers. Now let's draw lots of little dots all over the face of our lemon. This adds a nice texture and it looks a bit like the bumpy skin of a lemon.
Yeah.
A few more dots, Artie, and perhaps on the arms as well. Well, he's looking pretty finished to me. You finished? He looks great, Artie, but he really needs some yellow colour to be a lemon.
Artie, I think you should color it in now.
Get your markers, Artie. Let's go.
Well done, Artie. He came out really good. I love the yellow shading, and I love the green leaves on his head, and I especially love his pink tennis shoes. I think you've created another masterpiece, Artie.
Man, I hope everyone else's project came out as good as Artie's did.
How does your drawing look, little artist?
We'll see you guys next time.
Well, thanks for watching, little artists. We hope you were drawing along at home. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.